Right, ladies and gents, bit of a change of scenery, not our usual place. We're in Nevin coaches at an ATF, ready for tomorrow's MOT. This is a 2003 814D Vario Plaxton Cheetah. It's from our own fleet. We've run it for 12 months on schools and local private hires, and it's been a good, reliable vehicle. Not the very tidiest vehicle, to be fair, but it's 33 seats, which is everybody's magic number, and it's actually surprisingly good underneath. It does have MOT till the 23rd of October, I think, but obviously a vehicle of this age, you'd expect it to be come with a brand new MOT, so we've offered it in for MOT today. There's the boot, not the best, but it's okay. It was repainted in white, I believe, a couple of years ago. It's got some side lockers. It's actually really good underneath. We did a couple of bits of welding for MOT. And we can go inside. Manual, 5-speed gearbox manual. It says tacho's not in use, but we're going to sort that out. It's going to need a tacho head, we believe. Driven it down here about an hour and 30 minutes from Llanrwst. It's driven really well. Got 3-point belts. Got these quite tidy. I think that finds the seats. Still presentable. And it was very reliable for us on our school contracts over the last 12 months, and very useful school contract vehicle with some life left. Thank you.